Hello, my dear students. In this session, we will learn about the eighth poem, To the Food from its Child. This poem is written by Pablo Neruda. So first, here the poet explains how people force or restrict children to grow into society without caring their dreams and imagination. So now here a child is in its womb of mother. So it does not have any plan like, and it does not know what is the reality in the world. It wants to become an apple or a butterfly when it comes out of the womb. But society is cruel here. It forces the children to become responsible adult doing responsible jobs. In this way, the grown-up child hardly has any time either for love or a sleep. The child does not enjoy any kind of work. So in the next stanza, we'll see the poet also speaks about human life, birth, death, his dreams and realities. The child usually does not have awareness to be a butterfly or an apple. They have particularly said that the small child wants to become a butterfly or an apple, but when it comes to originally reality, the child grows up and faces the hardships like walking on stones, bits of glasses, climbing the ladders, and walking on the path on the rough earth. The foot realizes that it is merely a foot and it cannot fly like butterfly, nor it can be a fruit bulging on the trees. Because the child's foot is hurt and injured while walking and doing everyday work. It starts wearing shoe. So foot feels defeated and imprisoned, means kept locked in the shoe. The child's foot is defeated and falls in the battle, condemned in a shoe. Here condemned in a shoe means it is covered by a society, so it is not free to enjoy its life. As the foot is entered the cave of the shoe, it can only feel out like blind man. Then the foot is unable to see other foot. Inside the shoe, it tries to understand the world in its own way, alone like a blind man in the dark. So next in the next stanza, the poet says that here the human like a small child will be cute enough. Everyone can love a child, but it converts to an adult or it converts into original men, then never ever of a people attracts to them or no people love them. They don't show the courtesy that child who was getting love and affection, because the soft nails of the child foot grows harder like horn. The tiny toes grows rough and tough or coarse. From the petal toes they transform into shapeless forms. The skin of a foot harden and roughen, and age-related disease attack the foot to show that man cannot stay young forever. As it grows and becomes big, the foot, this blind thing, gets involved in moving on the streets where people are moving on the back of the people. Only as his father is doctor, he will also become a doctor or anything going on. There is no full stop, but there is a full stop when he gets into death. It continues to walk without rest and sleep. It starts walking through fields, mines, markets and ministries and get involved in the mechanical act of walking without respite. Here respite means short period of a rest, hour after hour. The foot never rests in love or sleep, that is, die, and after death it is buried underground unaware. However, even then the foot is unaware that it is no longer a foot. In its innocence or ignorance, it wonders whether it is being buried so that it can fly like a butterfly or become an apple. Here the foot symbolizes a human being who has to move forward, reach many places in his lifetime. Basically, the poem talks about the loneliness of a man who cannot share his dreams or achieve them in his lifetime because as he grows he is expected to perform many roles and duties that are totally different from his dreams. The whole lifespan it has to work and walk and lead its life facing challenges, not realizing its dreams and unaware of the bitter truth of a life. So his life is just like a battle here. Thank you.